welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Simply Amazing, and I'm back with another video. If you are new, take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And with that out of the way, let's jump into today's video. I'm gonna do my brows. Okay guys, so the brows are done and the lids are primed, so now let's jump straight into the eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Beauty Creations and a palette. Yes, once more in another tutorial I'm going to use the same palette. Anyways, I'm going to take this pink right here, and I'm going to pack it on into my lid. Pack it on my crease. Sorry. This is going to be my transition color. If you guys are a beginner and this is the first video you're watching of me, I do suggest you take a minute, watch my beginner friendly tutorial. I will link it down in the description, and I'll also link it in the iCards up here. Please go and check out that video, guys, because it's not in every tutorial I'm going to explain everything that I'm doing when I do need detailed videos on that before. Okay, sweethearts, so I'm gonna do the right thing. Around where they use the Vaseline and cut their crease before they go in with the concealer. I'm going to try it, and I'm going to come up a bit closer so y'all can see all my imperfections, all my freckles, all my spots, all my beauty spots, everything. So low-key flirting about. You got to learn to take risks. Now I have my Q-tip with Vaseline with hair oil on it. This is not Vaseline, this is hair oil. Expensive hair oil, so I'm nervous. So it not really move nothing. Just let's see pile. I can't really even see the crease. Guys, you see a difference? the cut crease so far, but because I carried the oil that far, so I had to carry the concealer out there, and there's some amount of oil I still left on my lid. Guys, I thought I was recording, you know, but I've sworn I was recording. But anyways, the colors I have in the crease area, I blend it out on the end, and look here, as you can see, because I did the Vaseline method on this eye, it kind of popped the concealer more because the concealer went down on bare skin. But this eye, in with this cream shade right here, and I'm going to pat that on my lid, and I'm using a wide eyeshadow brush. This shade is tricky. So guys, I lined my eyes and I didn't wing it out. I just put the black shadow over it and then just use it. Now I'm going to add some glitter, and I'm going into my Beauty Creations glitter palette. I'm going to take this purple glitter right here, and I'm going to apply that right on top of that wing. I should have used a smaller brush, but can y'all see that? Okay guys, I'm going to do my face makeup, apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. I did my face makeup and I put on my lashes. So now I'm going to take my Nabi, the gorgeous highlighter, the cover broke, and I'm gonna do my highlighter